stop scrolling. Did you know your body is doing shocking things while you sleep, and you have no idea? Tonight, I'm revealing 5 unbelievable secrets about your body at night that will completely blow your mind. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss fascinating facts like these. Alright, let's start with the first mind-blowing thing your brain does while you sleep. When you sleep, your brain goes into what scientists call a cleaning mode. Tiny cells called glial cells expand, clearing out toxins that accumulate while you're awake. Think of it like taking out the trash every night. This process is essential because without it, harmful proteins can build up and increase the risk of brain disorders like Alzheimer's. Shocking fact, this cleaning process only happens during deep sleep. Skipping sleep isn't just making you tired, it's literally leaving your brain dirty. If you're learning something new already, don't forget to smash that like button. While you dream, your body temporarily paralyzes certain muscles through REM atonia to stop you from acting out your dreams. Imagine running in a dream, but your legs don't move. That's your body protecting you from injury. In rare cases, people can partially wake up while dreaming, leading to sleepwalking or talking. Your brain is working overtime while your body is almost frozen. Your heart doesn't just slow down. It goes through rhythmic changes to strengthen muscles and improve circulation. During certain stages of sleep, your blood pressure drops and your heart rate adjusts to repair and restore. Studies show your heart may even perform micro-exercises during REM sleep, almost like training itself without you moving. If you haven't subscribed yet, click that button now to keep learning amazing facts. Sleep isn't just rest, it's a full-body recovery system. While you sleep, your immune system releases cytokines, proteins that fight inflammation and infection. Sleep deprivation can make you sick faster. Your body even produces memory cells for vaccines during sleep, improving vaccine response. Your body regulates critical hormones while you sleep. Growth hormone peaks, helping muscles and tissues repair. Cortisol, the stress hormone, drops to help you relax. Without quality sleep, these hormones get out of balance, leading to weight gain, low energy, and mood changes. Remember to hit like if you find these facts surprising, and subscribe for more. Dreams aren't random. They help your brain process emotions and experiences. Your brain sorts memories, reinforces learning, and even rehearses social interactions while you sleep. When you dream about talking to someone or facing challenges, your brain is literally practicing it. You can wake up with fresh insights or solutions you couldn't solve while awake. So next time you think sleep is just rest, remember, your body and brain are working harder than you realize. From cleaning your brain to boosting your immune system and processing emotions, sleep is full of surprises. Respect your sleep. It keeps you alive and performing at your best. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing facts.